So here are 3 tips for beginner investors. What's up everybody, welcome back for another video about stock investing. Today I'll give you 3 tips for beginner investors. If this is your first time on this channel, my name is Phil and I put out videos like this every single weekend. So make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about stock investing, and if you like this video and find it helpful, make sure to press the like button. So I've mentioned before that there are quite a few things you need to know and think about before you start investing money in the stock market. So in today's video, I would like to give you 3 tips that I followed when I first started investing in the stock market. So here we go. Number 1, invest in companies you understand. If you're just starting out and don't know what companies to invest in, and you might feel overwhelmed, there are thousands of companies to choose from out there, how do you find companies to invest in? Where do you start looking? The answer is quite simple. Start looking at companies with products or services that you are familiar with, that you are maybe using yourself, or maybe look at companies in the same industry that you already work in, or places like that, because you probably already have some knowledge about the products and services. You understand the business. And the next step after that is to start the research. Start digging deeper and look into those companies and find out if they're really worth investing in or not. Number 2. Put money aside for rainy days. If you want to start investing your money instead of them sitting in your bank account and do nothing, that's great. But before you do that, make sure to put some money aside first, for rainy days. You never know when you're going to need extra cash for something, because it ain't fun to be forced to sell shares to pay bills if let's say you lose your job or something like that. I've been in that situation and I was really glad that I followed that advice. So have enough to cover bills for a few months, some say 3 months, others say 6 months, so that your bills will be covered while you look for a new job, and that way you won't need to sell your stock to survive. Number 3. Stay away from penny stocks. If you're looking to make your first investment in stocks, that's awesome, but avoid penny stocks. Forget about what you heard about how you can make a whole lot of money in a very short period of time with them. Way too much risk involved with penny stocks, especially if you're new to the stock market. Stick with large companies with good track records that continue to grow year after year. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, I would really appreciate it if you give it a like. And for more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and talk to you next weekend.